An effective banana and vitamin E face mask for glowing skin. Banana and vitamin E face mask for glowing skin. Banana face mask mixed with yogurt and vitamin E oil for skin is an amazing combination that helps to remove wrinkles, acne, dark spots, also removes the fine line on your face. The banana face mask is an age-old secret that has been used since ancient times, can make a 50-year-old woman looks 20. During old times, our grandma used some amazing home remedies using a banana that makes them look fresh and youthful even in old age. Apply this banana and vitamin E face mask for glowing skin. You can also apply this face mask on your neck and hands to remove neck wrinkles, tighten loose sagging skin, dark and dry hands. Let's start with the remedy. Banana and vitamin E face mask for glowing skin. Ingredients: 1 banana or 2 to 3 tablespoons banana mash, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 vitamin E capsule. Method: first, take 1 banana and mash it, then add 2 to 3 tablespoon banana paste, 1 tablespoon yogurt, and 1 vitamin E capsule in it. Mix it well until the mixture is smooth. Now, clean your face and apply a thick layer of this mask on your face with the brush. Then, leave it for about 10 minutes until dry, and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this daily in nighttime or daytime for at least 10 minutes and get the younger glowing skin. You can also rub a banana slice on your face for glowing, acne-free, younger and clear skin, or can also rub a banana peel on your skin for a few minutes to get the glowing, oil-free and younger-looking skin. Banana and vitamin E oil have anti-aging properties which will make your skin younger. Hope you like the remedy. Try this homemade banana and vitamin E face mask for glowing skin. Share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to share your views and results with me. Cheers! If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.